Good morning, Forex and ADEX traders. This is another video I'm making regarding this new indicator that I found. I usually use the Lux Algo, but this one costs money, and some people wanted to know if is there something that is free that's equally good or even better. So I am an affiliate for Lux Algo, so um, it's funny to tell somebody that you're an affiliate, but you don't have to buy their products because there's an equally good free indicator. So I'm just being honest with everybody here. So anyways, so it's on the 1 hour time frame. My last video was on the 1 minute. So I'm kind of like testing this new indicator with different time frames. So this morning, as you can tell here, got this when it's in overbought, and this is the oscillators in overbought. It gives you this indicator here, which when these two lines cross over, indicating a possible change in price. And sure enough, it happened. And here, I added this 200 EMA because you don't want to trade to counter the opposite or against the moving average. If it's below, you want to go short. If it's above, you want to take the buys. So anyways, so this it looks pretty good right now for to sell the Euro USD, but let's see how it did on other currency pairs. Euro AUD. So this one here is kind of choppy, so I wouldn't trade this even if you get indication unless it's overbought or oversell. So next one is AUD USD, and this is a 1 hour chart. I can do videos on higher time frames as well. So so with the exception of if you get like divergent, then you might want to trade against the moving average. But like in this is a perfect setup right here, I think. And let me draw a line. See, I'm not good at drawing lines here. Trend line, I guess. So this here. And then you get on the same spot here. So this is a good example of diversion. Well, diversion is if this is a lower high and the price is actually going higher. So this is not, I think they call this, I'm not really sure what this is called, but regardless, this is a good trade to go short, so I might consider doing that on Forex. Let me see here, this is GBP USD. It's also got a couple indication here, but I wouldn't take these long because it's below the moving average. But let's turn on the Lux Algo at the same time and see if this matches any of it. So you want to compare the two. So this gave the indication like 2 hours before it, and here also gave a buy like an hour or 2 hours after this indication gave. So I think it's sort of like the Lux Algo, but it's a little bit maybe ahead of time. Like here, this where this indicator paid off because it gave a sell here, and the Lux Algo waited another hour, this was a huge move from 70 to 34, like it's a 35 pip move right here. So I'm trying to justify using the algo at this point, but trying to find an example where the algo worked and the indication didn't work. Otherwise, I might stop using the algo myself. Anyways, okay. These are pretty good. So here, maybe the Lux Algo shined over the free indicator because it gave you a buy signal right here. And then you wouldn't necessarily take this because it's already like into the overbought territory. So you would have missed out on some pips. because the ideal use of this is these zones right here, these two parallel red lines for short and these green lines for buys. That's the ideal situation. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm also playing around with this market cipher. But all this is here, the market cipher A is the moving averages. It's like the guppy moving averages. So it's not really that helpful. It's not really a special indicator. Anyways, comment below or send me an email if you have any questions. Thank you.